So you know what, I've lived in my house for a few years and I was going through thinking of renovating my bathroom, and I'm not getting any younger, so why wouldn't I look at something that I can be comfortable in getting in and out of and accessible. I don't know, I was just searching the internet and I seen accessibility professionals, they were offering freedom showers, and I said, you know what, I'm going to be in my house for a few more years. And I really would like to stay here, so let's look what they have to offer. I did a search online, I read the reviews, and I contacted Freedom Shower, and you know what? Their customer service center was so helpful in helping me understand what I needed, when it could happen. And talking to my contractor, he said, you know what? They are a real reputable company. And he's installed Freedom Showers before and found that they have worked really well for his other customers who are as young as me, let me tell you that. And when he installed it, I had so much fun just playing around in it. Can't wait to start using it. It's looking like I made the right choice for my future living in my gorgeous home.